What is going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping by to my little channel here. A little bit different design tonight. I'm playing around with a few things, seeing what works, what doesn't. Let me know in the comments, do you like the updating I've done? Do you like the updating to the sound? Does it sound okay? Let me know about the background. Do you like this? Do you not like this? I'd love to hear from you because I do want your experience to be as good as it can be. You may have noticed I am wearing some watch dealer gloves. The reason for that is we're going to do an unboxing today. A good friend at work received a watch in the mail and he let me do an impromptu unboxing. Funny enough, I didn't have any gloves on. Neither did he. That's okay. The next question you might be wondering, why do I have two different color gloves on? Could I not find two? Could I not afford to? What do you think? We're going to look at a vintage Hamilton from the Hodinkee website. So stick around, see what we get from Hodinkee. Be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Before we get into the unboxing, I wanted to pop over to the Hodinkee website, to the shop, and check out this vintage Hamilton, see what they say about it, see their comments, and then compare that to what we actually get. Fantastic looking 70s sort of torno design. Beautiful photos, says recently serviced, caliber 11 movement, overall great condition. Scratches on case, small nick on crystal. So we'll look for that. And in the videos, they look quite nice. You can kind of see a couple of little hairline scratches. And then you have the full story, the caliber 11, first automatic chronograph movements ever produced. This chronomatic Fontainebleau, I believe is how you say that. I don't actually know. Is an excellent representation of the brand and its manufacturing capabilities. Introduced this model in 1969 following the Chronomatic Consortium, which I don't know what that is, but they tell me it's between Hamilton, Buren, Heuer, the other brands that I'm not going to try to mention. And they go on to tell you a little bit more history. It says it's an extremely funky 70s chronograph in shape, surprisingly traditional. If you can get past the case, similar to the Heuer Monaco, using the same movement, same dial layout, fonts, and hour markers are also fairly similar to what collectors now associate as classic vintage design. So they give us a little bit of history on a watch that I admittedly have never seen before. Says it's this example, so they're talking specifically about this watch now, is in overall excellent condition and has clearly been well cared for over the years. Combination of black and gray silver motif gives this watch a great look, especially in this funky case. So I'm actually very excited to take a look at this guy. The fine print is what they call it, basically the stats. The maker is Hamilton. Model is the Chronomatic Fontainebleau or Fontainebleau. I'm not sure how you say that. Reference 11001-3, circa 1970s. No case number, stainless steel material. It's a 47 millimeter by 41 with a 14 millimeter thickness. It's a plexiglass crystal. It has tritium lume. It's a Heuer caliber 11 self-winding chronograph movement, and it's on a new Hodinkee Bedford strap. So they give you a lot of information. I've always been kind of impressed by the Hodinkee shop, but I've never ordered anything directly from Hodinkee. My Hodinkee G-Shock that was a partnership with um, John Mayer was not even from the Hodinkee shop. I actually got a crazy good deal on it from another seller that wasn't interested in making money. Just got it and it didn't feel right to him. So I was able to pick it up at almost the same price as the Hodinkee website. So that being said, let's do this unboxing. I've muted out the audio because this is at a business. I don't want to give away any trade secrets. I also don't want to give away any customer information. So opening up a gigantic box, you have your Hodinkee foam. Then you have the box, which he accidentally put upside down. That's gonna be a theme here. He's gonna do that a number of times. But you have your outer case, your inner case, and then you have this sort of travel roll, this watch roll inside. This is a leather lined roll. And then you have your Hamilton, which is absolutely gorgeous. They say chip on the crystal, scratches on case. I don't see either yet. So we're going to pop this out and take a look. Again, with the upside down, that's okay. You can see a few of those scratches on the case back now, but on the front, perfect. Beautiful, beautiful tornado-shaped case, very 70s style, and you can see that crystal kind of marks or mocks that case design. A few scratches on the back, as they said, but lived-in scratches, sort of character scratches, not really damaged scratches. Looks very good on this Hodinkee strap. I actually really like it. I don't know what's up with all the strap companies continuing to not do quick releases. I do complain about that with every watch strap that's not a quick release, but beautiful strap nonetheless. This case with this internal travel roll, awesome. The extras you get, really good. Almost every, including this, which is a really cool feature, a personalized thank you note, and this gigantic box with very thick foam to protect this beautiful timepiece. So the extras you get go above and beyond pretty much any watch dealer or any pre-owned watch I have personally purchased. I've gotten small cases to quite simply just a pack and ship USPS bag. So the fact that they do that, very, very, very good. Of course, you are paying a premium on the Hodinkee website most of the time, but in this case, at $3,300, I think you get a really good value for this piece. On these close-ups, you can see a few more of those scratches under light, but nothing more than you would get from any good vintage watch. And looking at this watch under some better lighting, with a little bit better photography, you can see it's an absolutely stunning case with a stunning crystal to match this dial, the silver and black. You have this center circle that's raised from the black background to match the raised indices, both applied. And then you have the sort of almost oval, almost square chronograph subdials to sort of offset that coloration, and then a matching shape for the date window at 6. Just a beautiful watch. Your crown is actually at 9 o'clock with your chrono pushers at 3 and 4 or 2 and 4. Just a beautiful, beautiful timepiece. And on the back, you can see just how much energy and time went into that case back to make that oval case back work on that or that round case back work on that oval case. And then, of course, your Hodinkee strap. And you may have noticed in the unboxing, the original strap is also included. And if we go over to Monochrome, Monochrome has a great link I'm going to put in the description talking about these watches. They have figures for the designs, for the what do you call it? The copyrights. They have the sort of an exploded view of the chronograph and movement within this article. So I'll link that below, as well as a link to Hodinkee Shop's shop. Very cool. I really appreciate Richard letting me video this unboxing. He actually had it delivered to work just so I could. Very cool timepiece here, a little bit different. And a vintage ad for the watches themselves. So congratulations to you, Richard. An amazing timepiece, a great pickup. Thanks, guys, for stopping by and being a part of this quick unboxing. If you guys would like to see a full-on review and detail of this watch, let me know.